Deep in the heart of the jungle, a massive snake slithers its way up a tree. Its movements are slow, calculated, and precise. But what is its mission? Is it hunting, or simply searching for a safe resting place? Watch as it coils tightly around the trunk, using its sheer strength to climb with ease. No branches, no footholds, just a straight tree. Yet for this powerful predator, that's no obstacle at all. Is something waiting for it at the top? Or is this silent hunter the one preparing to strike? This is the raw power of the wild, where only the strongest survive.